Welcome to the tutorial for the Virginia Adult Protective Services, or APS, online reporting portal. The portal is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to make non-emergency electronic reports about suspected abuse, neglect, or exploitation. This report is only for adults ages 60 or older or ages 18 to 59 and incapacitated. If you have a concern about someone under the age of 18, please contact Child Protective Services. Before getting started, gather all the information about the situation you want to report in one location, like a notepad or folder, before you start. That way, you'll be prepared to enter information on the screens in one sitting. Make sure to read through the instructions carefully and check the box at the bottom confirming that the report is not an emergency. Click on the word Next at the bottom of the screen. The menu bar at the top of the screen tracks your progress as you move through the report, and each section has instructions about what you are completing. If you wish to remain anonymous, click Yes, and you will not have to fill out the contact information. When entering the legal first and last name, use a capital letter followed by lowercase letters. If you do not have an email address, you can use a fake email, such as no@no.com. If you're not sure if you're a mandated reporter, click on More Info to see a list of mandated reporters. If the question has an asterisk by it or a red message, then it must be completed before you can go to the next screen. You must enter the demographic information about the victim. It is important to enter the legal first and last name of the victim. Enter a date of birth or an approximate age and phone number. If you do not know the answer to the question, enter the word unknown. For numeric fields in email, you must put in the proper format. For example, type in an area code and 555-1212. Answer the questions in text boxes as thoroughly as possible, providing demographic information, describing what happened and who was involved. The local Department of Social Services needs detailed information to determine the validity of the report. Inadequate or incomplete answers may lead the local department to invalidate a report. If the perpetrator is unknown, you must enter unknown. If the perpetrator is known, add any demographic information you know about them. You can enter information about witnesses or other interested parties. You may navigate back and forth between screens and make changes to the report if you need to. Remember, the APS report must be completed in one sitting. Partially completed reports cannot be saved or accessed later. When you are finished, verify the information in the report and then click Submit. Once you submit it, you will receive an on-screen confirmation that you can screenshot. You are required to enter an email unless you are anonymous. You will get a confirmation email. The email confirms that your report was received by the local department. You may track your report using the web ID in the email you receive. If you decide not to make an online report, you can still make a report through the 24-hour APS hotline at 888-832-3858 or contact the local Department of Social Services APS unit where the incident occurred. Thank you for watching the APS online reporting tutorial.